What's going on? If you are into meme coins, this is the video for you because we are talking about the king of meme coins. Maybe not the king, but definitely like the poster child. We're talking about the what do you meme token. It's like this is the Wild West. Cryptocurrency is the Wild West because people are coming out with the what do you meme token. That's the name of it. That's the name of the freaking thing, okay? My name is Aaron. I'm a brand new crypto investor. I started in December. I am brand new. And I am just exploring this whole world. And I'm taking what I learn, picking it off the trees. I'm putting it on a little plate, and then I'm feeding it to you, okay? And so this is me bringing to you the what do you meme token. I don't Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not good. So we're gonna go and take a look at this token real quick. If you want to follow me on my journey to 1 Bitcoin, that's my goal. Go ahead and hit subscribe. Also, if you are feeling generous today, I know some of you guys don't hit the like button in a lot of videos. If you think about hitting the like button once a month, please remember me and my videos. I would be very grateful for you if you gave me the like button. Anyway, what do you meme token? This is you start to see, like, just after we talked about Spore, right? The Spore token. I'm looking at mushrooms, and then there's Safe Moon, and then I hear about like some Soviet coin, and I hear about some, I mean, it's like a secure Moonrat coin and token. I mean like what what is this? So let's get into it. The what do you meme token. I'm gonna pull this up. Here it is. You know what? Hold on, let me pull this back up. Hey, Aaron, I've got a business proposition for you. Sure. What is it? Would you like to invest in my business? Sure. What's the business? The what do you meme business. It's like crazy. Like, if we go through here, this is the what do you meme token. It has nothing to do with the game. I love the game. It's a little raunchy, but I like it. Here's what they're doing. First thing, renouncing ownership. I have decided I am about half and half on renouncing ownership, and I have not fully landed on a place. What they mean by renouncing ownership is, well, here we go. Let me just read it. We no longer can mint new tokens, so we cannot manipulate the contract, nor can anyone else. This does not mean we are leaving. We are still here, and the show will go on. Okay. It's like, so on one half, it's just community involvement. Everyone's going to vote and, make things happen, like Ethereum, right? People vote, and that's why, in my opinion, things move so slow. Is like the community has to come together, come to a consensus, and vote in the majority, whatever the majority would be. But in my opinion, when you run a company, that's a terrible way to run a company. Like, if you have everyone's voices, think about what Steve Jobs did. Steve Jobs literally spearheaded and drove with vision and leadership and direction, and he propelled Apple. Jeff Bezos with Amazon, Elon with Tesla. You know what I'm saying? It's not a community built. It's like businesses are extensions of the CEOs, of the owners, of the founders. They are extensions of the man or woman. But when you have like a community involvement, it's slow, it's sluggish. That's why, if you're living in the United States, that's why everything moves so slow, like molasses. And so renouncing ownership, I've landed half and half on it, honestly. On one half, it could be good, I guess. On the other half, that's where I lean. I'm like, I'd rather invest in something that has strong, trusted leadership with clear direction and vision and work ethic, rather than a community base, because that community can leave, or that community can still be like manipulated, or just like people don't care. You know what I'm saying? Like, they don't care as much as the one person. And so I'm half and half on renouncing ownership. And here's the thing. They're giving me the business the license, the state of business license. So, and here it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, Margaret, I'd like to apply for a new business. Oh yeah? What's your business name? The What Do You Meme Token LLC. Yeah, okay, that'd be $60. What's going on? I guess they show this because maybe transparency. Maybe there's some kind of rule, like if they're a business LLC, they're subject to certain laws or authorities that we could sue them or something like that. Um, but I'm very unimpressed. Very unimpressed. I don't care about this license admit. You know, this is like a college degree. I don't care about it. It's like, who cares, right? It's like a bachelor's degree in psychology. I don't freaking care about your bachelor. You think you're going to be a good worker. I don't care about your bachelor's degree. Um, you paid $60 for this thing. Why should I care? Decentralized platform means you can meme us wherever. Okay, whatever. Crowd wisdom. Here's a word for the wise man. Most tokens you've seen in the BEP20 market on PancakeSwap has been complete BS with no real use token. Okay, what's your use of token? I mean, like, I'm not seeing it. First, above the fold, there's nothing. It's just a community token. It doesn't make sense. There's a million community tokens out there. No tax, no burn, no rug pull. And the owners will be present live on Twitch for the launch. Launch already happened. They're still talking about this. I mean, I don't know. I'm not seeing anything, honestly. I'm like 3 sections down. I'm not seeing anything. This is the first thing that this should be the biggest thing. It should be right here. And the biggest thing that they've announcing is the renounced ownership, and I'm 50-50 on that kind of thing. I don't even see a product. I don't see a goal. I don't see anything. I'm looking for vision. I'm looking for a goal. I'm looking for, like, paint me a picture of the future. Cryptocurrency is the future. I firmly believe that. Where do you fit in on that? Renouncing ownership. We're just gone. How it works. We'll be creating and we'll be live on Twitch. I mean, this doesn't make sense to me. The major problem is flooded with scam coins. Okay, what? This is with real owners with just rug proof and get this is ridiculous. This is I mean, I'm not. Look, if you are here's let me give you the saving grace. Hold on before the roadmap is even pitiful. Marketing push, YouTube and influencers. Okay, token launch. Okay, that's done. 420, cool. Coin market cap. I don't think I've seen it on there. I mean, I tried. This is what I looked. What do you mean token? I mean, maybe I should just put in the token address. Let me do that right now. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Okay, whatever. Nothing. Looks like that didn't pan out. And then San Francisco billboards. You're gonna use the money on billboards in San Francisco when everyone's locked down already. It's like it doesn't make sense. Push for Whitebit listing. This is and then website redesign. This is all the way up to 5/25, May 25th. It's already the 2nd. It doesn't make sense. Powered by a real team, and these are the advisors, and I only see 1 and 2. I only see 2 people. I see 2 people here, and they're listed as advisors. Where's the real team? What am I looking for? Like, there should be a team. This doesn't make sense. This is like this is a crazy token. Here, I'll give you the saving grace. Okay, this is why you might want to invest in this token. And you could already tell that I am not going to invest in this token. But if you want a YOLO, if you got some extra money laying around, here's what do you mean token in the coin charts. And the reason why you'd want to invest is because it's so low that you could throw in $20 in there and forget about it and come back in 5 years and see where that's at. Because this junk is, I mean, like, come on, man. Look at this thing. Yeah, throw in $20 here and get like, you know, 1 trillion coins or whatever. There's some people buying there. Look at this though. Buy. So, you know, I mean, I could be wrong. This could shoot off. I mean, this started up high and it hit the crash. It's probably due for another hike. I'm not sure how long, but if you got $20, yeah, you could use that. Let's go into the Twitter. They got almost 5,000 followers, 4,500 following 2 people, and then they have like a billboard contest for like $1,000 or whatever. So I guess this is the winner. Yeah. Look, you know what I mean? I'm feeding you things that I find on the ground in the crypto world. Oh, that's nice. This is Safe Moon. Here you go. You know. Oh, this is Moon Pirate. I'm gonna make a video on that soon. Here you go. Oh, this is what do you mean? I don't know. It smells a bit funky. Here you go. Anyway, see if you like it. Like I don't know. This is definitely not. This is not the coin for me. This is not it. No. Look, if you like my honesty, I try to be honest with you. I mean, it's very hard. People are intrinsically kind of shady about this stuff. Oh, and by the way, let me let you know something. Here's this quick secret. YouTubers like myself get emailed from different coins. We get contacted by different people shilling or shilling pumping or wanting us to shill, or what that means is like pump up or promote a particular coin, and they are willing to pay us for that. I have not. I might do it in the future. I'm just being real. They pay me a lot of money, but do it. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna feed my baby, and I'm gonna do it. But I won't do it if I don't believe in the coin. Here's the thing. If they want to find these influencers, they're gonna pay them. I mean, that website is terrible. They need vision. I am someone who wants vision. I want direction. I don't care about your stupid college bachelor's degree and that paid $60 for. It doesn't matter. Anyway, if you appreciate this video and you're very generous, if you're a very generous person, or if you're feeling generous today, I would ask for your like button or subscribe if you want to follow me on my journey to 1 Bitcoin. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the moon.